Hello YouTube! Here I am with a couple of different products here to review. I was reached out by TEMU and I was glad to select a couple of items to review. There is a bundle of $100 available right now if you use the code that it's blinking right here. I got some of the selections here, as you can see. High level, this is a RC truck. Also have an airplane. Really cool model, Diecast. We'll go into the details later. In this amazing RC 6-channel plane with a nice remote, really easy to fly, good for beginners. Get a bundle of $100 off. The coupon will allow you to drop the cost by $100. You need to use that coupon through the app. And on the screen, I'm gonna show you the recording of that. As you log into TEMU, go into your search bar and log the code number KCF8344 and search. Once you do that, there will be a couple of big sales showing up, and right here on the screen, as you can see, it shows a $100 coupon bundle with purchase threshold. I'm gonna hit claim, and it's already included into the order. Now I can just do my search, select the products that I want to include to my cart, and it's already including it to the cart. There will be discounts applied to all the items that you include after you do that, and it will allow you to save big time, up to $100 in total as a bundle savings throughout this code. So thank you very much. This is gonna do for how to use the code. Now we're gonna jump into the reviewing and the details on all of these items here and why you should check those out and actually purchase, because this is real metal. This truck right here, real metal as well. Really nice. There are so much different options you can do. Back and forth, left and right, raise and lower. It is really a cool toy. Lights on and off. You got the idea. Also, we will be flying this really cool airplane in a future video, flight video, but I can see this going really high. This is a 5-channel, 6-axis gyro capable airplane. For anybody that is new and beginner to the plane, is going to learn how to fly really easy. Really light. There is a really nice, well-built controller as well that connects to the airplane with no problem. So yeah, let's jump into all of these items in details for much more. Thank you. As you can see, this bulldozer can push snow, dirt, and rocks. Operates just right like the real bulldozer. You can move the plow up and down. Look how nice it is while plowing through the snow. Goes back and forth, rotates on its axle. It has lights, sounds, and everything. Now pushing the snow through the edge of this patio right here. Wow, I almost got down. This is just one of the items I got, and I have videos on the next few clips here for the other 2 items. Look, the plow going up, lights on. It leaves the track on the snow. Happens to be cold and with snow in the ground here where I live, but you can imagine this moving dirt, rocks, and everything. Going down with the plow and then pushing the snow all the way to the edge. Just an amazing toy. Realistic. I'm really impressed with the quality of this toy. Pushing the snow once more here, right through the edge. You can have some nice moments with kids or just enjoying the nature of this engineering marvel. Jumping to the next ones coming up is the airplane model Diecast, which is also really cool.
So this is the perfect place here to do a nice spin around this really cool airplane model here. Happens to be a Delta airplane. Big, 4 engines, 2 in each of the wings. Close look right here. Has all the landing gears. Nice set of wheels. And it's about to take off. Look at this. Look at this. Such a nice model. Really cool design. It's small, about the size of my hand. Amazing. Really well made. Good stuff. Check out the link and get yours. Really cool model. Now reviewing up close this really cool airplane. Says right there 2.4 gigahertz, 5 channels radio control. This is a airplane for beginners. Really easy to fly. Look how beautiful it is. The construction on this one is amazing. Some of the details here on the dimensions. It's a 6-axis gyro capable airplane, not like you can see right here. It says built-in 6-axis gyroscope. So this is going to be really easy to fly. Look at the details here, the landing gear with some of the springs here to absorb the impact. Look at the details here on the supports for the wings, the fake engine, as well as the propeller. This is a beautiful model. It has the servos mounted right here under the wing, as well as a servo horn that mounts on the rudder. So definitely you have movements here and here, which comes through these rods. Also you can have active steering with this little wheel here that moves as you steer your plane. Look at this. This is a beautiful model. The box, it is small, it is very light, comes with 1 battery, has a nice controller that I will show later. But let's get this on an upper closer look here. Oops, there you go, the box right into the snow. It is really cold, so I'm probably not gonna be flying this today, but you have an idea on this one flying, just gliding through the skies, turning. Yeah, really nice. Lots of details here on the engine. Lots of details in the interior. It doesn't have a pilot, but it has the instrument panel in there, like you can see. A view from the top. Maybe I can put like this. Big wing. This is supposed to be a really easy plane to fly. I guarantee it will be, because with the 6X gyro, it will make it really easy to control. Yeah, it's been a while since I had airplanes, and I'm so glad that I got this from TEMU, because yeah, look at the controller here. Has so many functions. We will review the manual as well, where it talks about the capabilities of it. But again, 6X makes everything much easier to fly. I'm excited. Stay tuned. Log into your TEMU account and look for this item. I have the link in the description, as well as I have the picture here so you can find it. Really cool plane. Thank you very much, TEMU. This is an awesome airplane.